Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stabilize a shaky footage in just a few clicks on Adobe Premiere CC. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a shaky footage and stabilize it. But first I'm gonna show you how the footage looks before and after. Now let's look at it after the stabilizer effect. Okay, now let's delete that and stabilize this shaky footage. And to do that, it's really simple. We are going to go to the effects, and you can find it in the workplace effects, and I'm gonna search warp. And you can see here under the video effects distort, we can see the warp stabilizer. This effect we are going to use to stabilize our footage. So we are going to drag it to the clip and let go. And now we are going to wait for it to analyze the background, and I'm just gonna speed up this process until it's done. Now that it's done, we can play it. And guys, that is simply how you can stabilize a shaky footage in Adobe Premiere. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.